This is Dylan 96 and Bradley, and we're going to show you how to get free wheels. Okay, so like if you have boring wheels, you could try to get free. So this not might work. So like in this one, like in the golden one, that one, and like on this one, it won't work. For the rest, it would. So what you need to do, like for example, if I want to get this wheel, all you gotta do is I do it. Just press this gray color, that one, and then they'll just give it to you for free. Select, now you have it. So now you have it for all, like for you, if it's cost 50, then you have it for free. And you know, see, like if there's any cool wheels,
and if you guys want proof,
it's 10.
Guys, watch,
it's 10
gold. Guys, look, I'm gonna give you proof. 50 gold. I can't use coins. I can't use. I can't use gold. I can't use my gold because I only have 14, and I can't use my coins because it doesn't take coins. But if I try this,
you have 3 wheels. So like I told you, it might work, but sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, then try it on another cart, or if it doesn't neither, then try it over and over again. That's how you get free wheels on Fast and Furious.
And it's only rims. Wheels are like these things right here. The rims are right there in the middle.
So thanks for watching. This is Dylan 96 and Bradley.
And we forgot to mention something. If you guys want more FF6 vids, we could do that. And you know, we'll teach you about Class 6 if you guys want.
So please subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope you subscribe. This is how you get free wheels. Bye bye.